Whether you're converting to a floor shifter or simply replacing your old console base with a new one, we've got the finest reproduction on the market that'll make it look brand new. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1968 to 72 Chevelle and El Camino and 1970 to 72 Monte Carlo center console bases. The console bases are manufactured from ABS plastic and case-hardened steel tooling to ensure accuracy and authenticity to the original. True to the original, our console bases feature the correct Madrid grain pattern on the base with identical contours, mounting holes, and curves. All of the correct mounting bosses will bolt up perfectly to the floor. In addition, we finish every base with a beautiful stainless steel trim, which is pre-installed for your convenience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.